half of the women in America will be of menopausal age in 2 years. How do you see that as a business opportunity, and what's so different about this drug that you've discovered?
Thank you, Olivia. Our drug is unique. It is the first and only hormonal product in combination that'll be exactly the same as the estrogen and progesterone in a woman's body that declines during menopause. It's almost a $4 billion market just in the U.S., and there currently is nothing like it on the market today.
How big of a market is this?
Globally, we're looking at least $8 billion. Domestically in the U.S., the FDA-approved market's about $500 million, and the compounding market's about $3 billion.
All right, I want to get to the compounding market, but hormones are controversial stuff. You know,
Yes.
ever since the Women's Health Initiative study back in 2002, I think the market for hormone replacement drugs in the U.S. collapsed from $8 billion to $1 billion, but now you say things are changing and the market is coming back to regulated hormones. What's changing?
Absolutely. The fallout from the Women's Health Initiative really pointed to the progestin, or the non-bioidentical, the non-naturally occurring hormone in a woman's body. You can replace that and deliver human hormones to a woman during menopause. It really takes a lot of the risk out of the equation. Today, that market is served by non-bioidentical solutions. So we think there's a tremendous opportunity to not only reinvigorate this market, but to also deliver a better, lower dose product.
All right, another issue that's really interesting in this space is compound pharmacies. If you could just explain to those who don't know what a compound pharmacy is and why hormone replacement is so active in that space.
Sure, absolutely. The hormone products in the compound pharmacy world is very, very large. The overall compounding space is $10 to $12 billion a year in the U.S. Drug companies like ours are held and regulated by the FDA. Compounding pharmacies are not. They're not held to safety and quality standards that we are. The hormone market that is approved by the FDA does not have a bioidentical solution. So women and prescribers have gone over to the compounding market to get these drugs that are compounded together and deliver what they're looking for. We look to fill that need.